The proper design of forging dies is a crucial aspect for the forging process, in which heated metal parts are pressed in precise shapes in forging presses or hammers. A set of dies can have multiple impressions, each with a different purpose for the forging process. Dies are typically made of hardened steel and produced in two pieces, the upper die and the lower die, both of which meet at the parting plane in the middle. The billets for most forging operations are heated to increase material flow into the die cavities and completely fill the die, which is a fundamental design requirement. The dies are also designed with overfill areas, referred to as gutters or lands. For the material to completely fill the die cavity, it is often necessary to provide such overfill areas. The part may have a fillet radius, a corner radius, or both, depending on the final part. After forging, excess material, referred to as flash, is trimmed from the part. Once the part cools, further heat treating and machining operations may be required.